Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about Mablifci, Mevasi or Colospa X having content may, Mavivarin hydrochloride and chlorodiazoxide. But before starting, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates from our channel. Mablifci is manufactured by Fujinkamin Pharma Private Sutico Limited, and it is having Mavivarin hydrochloride 135 mg and 5 mg of chlorodiazoxide. This medicine is used for IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. IBS is a common ailment that affects the large intestine and leads to abdominal pain, cramps, and other symptoms like abdominal pain, cramps, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. This medicine is also used for spastic colon and spastic colitis, mucus colitis. The exact dose of this medicine is 1 BID, 1 tablet both the times. Take the medicine empty in stomach. Do not chew it or break it. Now we will come on the action and mechanism of Mavivarin and chlorodiazoxide. Chlorodiazoxide is an benzodiazepine which works by increasing the action of chemical messenger GABA or suppress the abnormal and excessive activity of the nerve cell in brain. Mavivarin is an antispasmodic which relaxes the muscle of intestine and relieves the spasm of the stomach. On taking this medicine, you have to follow some diets, like you have to take fiber in your diet, and gluten, you should avoid gluten. Physical activity, you have to perform your physical activities. Medication is only for the symptom to be less. Medication can only decrease the symptoms, not cure the symptoms. You have to take less tea and coffee and milk. Gluten food should be avoided, and you have to take fiber in your meal and curd in your meal. Taking this medicine is having some side effects too, like sleepiness, drowsiness, fatigue, skin rashes. You should avoid alcohol during the medication because it is unsafe to take alcohol during the medication. During pregnancy, it is also unsafe in pregnancy, so ask your doctor. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Give the comments below. Thank you.